Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video we are cooking quick, easy and delicious ogbono soup. So let's get started. Put shaki into a pot, add stockfish, add grated onion, seasoning cube, water, add salt, mix, cover and cook until tender. Goat meat into a different pot, add onion, seasoning cube, salt, mix, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes after, add 2 cups of water, cover, allow to simmer for 10 minutes because I will be grilling the goat meat later. I'll go ahead and wash the smoked fish with hot water, debone it, set aside to use later. Next, I will add in fish into shaki pot. Adding washed snail. Snail is optional. Add water, cover and allow to cook. 10 minutes after, I'll be taking out the goat meat to grill. I'll be adding in goat broth or stock into the main pot. Next, I will be taking the goat meat into the oven to grill. Next, I will go ahead and mix the ogbono with hot oil. The temperature of the oil is quite high but not bleach. I'll properly combine it, keep it aside to use later. Next, I'll be adding the mixed ogbono. Then I'll add water if the consistency is thick. I'll also be adding blended crayfish and Opeyi at this point. Adding blended pepper. Combine properly. Adding salt. Cover and allow it to bubble. At this stage, I'll be adding in grilled goat meat. Then cover, allow it to cook for the ingredients to mix properly. I will go ahead and slice the pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf. For more ideas on how to cook delicious meals in 30 minutes or less, click the subscribe and bell icon and let's do this together. Finally, I'll be adding the sliced pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf. Cover, allow it to cook for a few seconds and our soup is ready. Thanks so much for watching.